Hello, and today on Texture Review, we are reviewing the texture of cat lamp. Now this is quite a smooth, grippy, squishy silicone, whatever, and it's just in the shape of a cat. And then the black bits are a lot more rigid and perhaps a different material. You can actually squish out its nose and get a little lumple dump going there with its nose. Very cool. And then the bottom, there is a little plasticky, smooth plasticky with a port USB, micro USB port in the back and a on-off switch, which this is obviously out of power, but yeah, cat lamp. Very cool.